In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an object in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project that contains the image with the object you want to remove. Once the image is open, you may want to zoom in on the specific area to work more precisely. To do this, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in and focus on the object. After zooming in, go to the left-hand side toolbar and right-click on the Selection tool to choose the Lasso Select tool. This tool allows you to manually draw a selection around the object that you want to remove. Using your mouse, click and drag around the object to carefully outline the area you want to remove. Try to stay close to the edges of the object for the best results. Once the object is selected, go to the Edit option at the top left corner of your screen and click on Fill from the drop-down menu. This will open the Fill Settings window. In the Contents drop-down menu, select the option Content Aware. This feature automatically analyzes the surrounding area of your image and fills the selected region with pixels that match the background. After selecting Content Aware, click OK. Photopea will process the selection and attempt to replace the object with surrounding textures and colors so that the removed area blends naturally with the rest of the image. In many cases, the object will disappear immediately and the background will look smooth. If the result does not look perfect on the first attempt, you can refine it by repeating the process. First, go to Select at the top of your screen and click Deselect to remove the previous selection. Then use the Lasso Select tool again to select any remaining parts, shadows, or imperfections around the area. Once selected, go back to Edit, choose Fill, select Content Aware again, and click OK. By repeating this process a couple of times, Photopea will gradually blend the area more naturally and remove any remaining traces of the object. This technique works not only for simple objects, but also for more complex areas of an image where unwanted elements need to be removed. After a few adjustments, you should see that the object has been completely removed and the background appears smooth and natural. If you still notice small shadows or irregular textures, you can simply select those areas again and apply the same content-aware fill process to clean them up. And this is how you can remove an object in Photopea.